of a good vibe, but I'm gonna take it on today. I told my legal niggas celebrating my son. We just get situated, baby. Grab yourself a drink, vibe out, get yourself a bottle. We get the juices flowing, let's go.